Samsung has just raised the bar again. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. From design to power, it redefines expectations. If you thought the S25 was impressive, just wait till you see what's inside the S26. This phone doesn't whisper change, it screams it. Let's talk about the design first. The S26 Ultra features a titanium frame, making it more durable and lighter than its predecessors. It's sleek, premium, and feels like you're holding a piece of luxury tech. The edges are smoother, the body is slimmer, and yes, it finally comes with symmetrical bezels. The display, it's breathtaking. Samsung introduces a next-gen 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED-to-X panel with a 140 Hz refresh rate. It's brighter, smoother, and more energy efficient. Watching videos and playing games has never looked or felt this good. And with 2,600 nits of brightness, sunlight is no match for this screen. Under the hood, it's a powerhouse. The S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. It's built on a 3nm process, meaning more performance and better battery life. Multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, this phone doesn't slow down. It's a beast built for 2025 and beyond. And yes, RAM and storage have been upgraded. You now get up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options that go up to 1 TB UFS 4.1. Apps open instantly, files transfer faster, and games run like a dream. It's not just fast, it's freakishly fast. Samsung didn't just improve speed, they've redefined photography too. The S26 Ultra features a 200MP ISOCELL ZoomX sensor. It delivers insane detail even when you zoom in. Photos are crisper, low-light performance is improved, and thanks to AI enhancements, even average shots look cinematic. What about video? The S26 Ultra now supports 8K video at 60 frames per second. But it's not just about resolution. Samsung's AI video stabilization makes even handheld shots look like they were filmed with a gimbal. Vloggers and creators are going to love this phone. AI plays a massive role across the board. With Galaxy AI 2.0, you get features like real-time call translation, live note summarization, and AI-generated wallpapers. It even helps enhance photos after you take them, suggesting edits you never knew you needed. It's like having a smart assistant in your pocket. Battery life has also gotten a boost. The 5,500 mAh battery easily lasts over a day. And with 65W fast charging, you get 50% battery in just 20 minutes. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging are still here, but now faster than ever. Samsung has also introduced Smart Charging 2.0. It learns your usage patterns to avoid overcharging and overheating. Your battery health is protected long-term, and you get peace of mind. It's small features like this that make a big difference. The S Pen is back, and it's smarter than ever. With improved latency and AI integration, writing feels more natural. You can now use it to translate on-screen text instantly, draw over videos, or control your device with custom gestures. It's not just a pen, it's a productivity tool. Samsung has also introduced a brand new security chip called Knox Vault X. It isolates your sensitive data from the rest of the system, making it virtually impossible for hackers to break in. Privacy is now built into the hardware itself. Let's talk about software. The S26 Ultra runs One UI 7 based on Android 15. It's smoother, cleaner, and comes with new customization options. You can now stack widgets, get real-time notifications, summaries, and even use AI to auto-reply to messages intelligently. Gaming on this phone, it's on another level. With the new vapor chamber cooling system and GPU boost features, frame drops are a thing of the past. Pair it with the 140 Hz display, and you've got a console-level experience in your hand. For those worried about updates, Samsung now promises 7 years of Android updates and security patches. That's more than Google or Apple. It means your phone will stay new and secure for almost a decade. Connectivity has also been taken to new heights. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 6G ready antennas make this phone future-proof. Downloads are instant, streaming is smooth, and lag is non-existent. Whether you're gaming or on a Zoom call, this phone keeps you connected. In terms of audio, you get Dolby Atmos tuned speakers with deeper bass and more clarity. Samsung also introduced adaptive sound mode, which automatically tweaks the sound based on your environment. Watching a movie, it adjusts for cinema-level immersion. On a call, it boosts clarity. And yes, it's IP68 water and dust resistant. But now, Samsung added extra protection against drops using Gorilla Armor Glass 3. Scratches, cracks, and impacts are less of a concern. This phone is built to last, no matter how rough you are with it. The Galaxy S26 Ultra also brings smarter integration with your Samsung ecosystem. Your Galaxy Buds, Watch, Tab, and SmartThings all sync faster. You can now even use your S26 as a webcam or mic for your laptop wirelessly with zero lag. So how much does this feature cost?